What?
It's like a spider.
Spider? Ah, that's kind of orchids. Wow. This one also, ano? Oh, yeah. Han. Just a minute. I'm just gonna make sure between here. Diba? Han. What kind of... Wait sa honey. Orchids room dyan na yun. We're not been there. We've been here too. We're not here yet. Ato dyan eh, tanawang-tanan, way palang pason. Okay, perting mahalag bayad din is pagso din yung dapita. San, how much you pay for to come here? $120 piso. Okay, ato yun yung picturean tanan. This is the one we got. Joby Holy Week. They put it into the cross. Yeah. Oh, look at this gumamilahan. Oh, I have this in the Philippines. Han. This one expensive in the Philippines. Very expensive. Yeah. What's that? Huh? I thought, what do you think? It become big. Big. Abi na ko kung sa yung ipatanaw ka na di ay. Saan naman siya eh? Where is the word looking? Looks like a cup. It's really pretty, no? Wow. Where is it? Ah, this one? This one usually grow, I think, in the sea. What's in here? Why is it good? Huh? Not allowed to eat? Not allowed to get one? No? Why they don't give? Why they don't give? Allah, with that. Ay, okay, come on, come on. There's more lemon in there. Oh. Han, here, Han, you want to sit down here? You want to sit down? Me, Han, be under the lemon, Han. Hibiscus. Which word? Ah, look at this. I have that too in the Philippines. I have to do this DI to make it pretty. Oh, I have to make it next time. This one I have this. Mostly I have a lot of Mamila because that's my collection before. Nice over there. Oh. Collection. Sweet potato. Look at this. Hibiscus. The one you like? Medicine? Yeah, this is the one medicine. I forgot the name. Yeah, you don't know what's that? Giant. Yeah, that one I killed that in the Philippines. This is the one, oh, the one you see in the YouTube. have this in the Philippines. That one is exit mo yun dali na. Just exit, so you have to go there. Or mato. Half for you. We will have. Wala na hinog na papaya. Yeah, because it will grow big like that. Like that. No, I did not make it so moving. Like that. And I'm sorry. All of this plants here is in Philippines. This one, no, this is. I have that a lot, no. Uy, this one you remember? This money maker too. It's in the. Pareha na din yung mga buwak sa Pilipinas, no? Buwak din eh. Look at this. This is the one that I said we will get for butterflies. No, kanding-kanding man na. one. Yeah, there's a flower of this. This one, and we called it lipstick. The name of this in Philippines, lipstick. Lipstick. We did not go to the other side yet, honey. What's that, honey? What do you think is that? The plant eat the bags?
Yeah.
Ah.
You know what I'm trying to get the nectar and the ground and that water, the plant absorbs the nutrients out into it.
Oh my God. Han, we did not hear, no? Han.